Here's my Canon Pixma G620. Supposed to be really good at printing pictures. I printed quite a few pictures on photo paper and on plain paper. Obviously, the plain paper pictures don't come out that great. You want to definitely use photo paper. So I've got the app here, and this is the picture that I'm going to be printing out. So this is the Canon app here. So, and to use a 5x7, and I'm using Canon Photo Paper Plus Glossy 2. There's where the 5x7 photo paper is. So let me take this out now. Show you. So here is the picture I just printed out. Here's this new artistic shelf that I'm trying to work on. So here are the printed pictures that I just did. I put a cardboard backing on it. These are my other pictures, 8.5 by 11, same kind of paper, photo paper. The colors are just insanely vibrant and bright. And I just got another little abstract right there. So here you can just see the painting really well. Then I'll do the reds.